This Century 21 Global Realtors property video is presented by Judy Kasso. Here it is, a great HUD listing on small acreage. Situated in rural Perkins on 2.15 acres, this home has much potential with newer roof and exterior paint. Beautiful park-like setting with room for gardening and has mature trees. Interior needs some updating, but perfect for the handyman. Check this one out soon as it won't last at this price. All HUD homes are sold as is. More information at hudhomestore.com. Case number 421 to 552,116. For more information, review the details below or contact Judy Kasso at 801-824-8166.